Let us write a program for displaying multiplication table for a given number. This problem uses loop. Where loop is used, wherever you have repeating statements. So your first task or challenge for a student will be to identify whether the procedure is having repeating statements or not. If so, then you can use a loop. So for that, you should understand the procedure first of all. So let us learn how to understand the procedure and how to take a loop and solve a problem. So this is a very basic problem. Let us see. A multiplication table. So already I have an example of multiplication table. This is how it looks like. For example, number 6. We write it like this. 6 ones. 6 ones is 6. 6 2 times is 12, right? 6 threes is 18, so on. So we write like this. Same thing we want our program to print. Now, if you observe, every time a number 6 is multiplied by something and we get a result and we display it, then again multiplied by some number and displayed, multiplied by some number and displayed. So this is not just one time multiplication, we are going on multiplying. How many times? 10 times we are multiplying. Yes. Then in this, what are the things we should know? First of all, we should know a number. This is a number, right? So here I write number. Then it should be multiplied by 1, then 2, then 3, then 4. This is looking like a counter. Yes, we saw in the previous video, we have used I there. I was becoming 1, then 2, then 3, 4, so on, right? So that's what it's a counter. So let us use that same I here, I. Then how we are getting this result? 6, then 12, then 18. This is obtained by multiplying these two. So this is nothing but I into n or n into I, whatever you say. Those two are multiplied. That's it. So it means I should take n and I should multiply and get it. And every step I should be increased. Number remains same. I should be increased. So this is how I should frame a procedure for this one. So the procedure is take I from 1 onwards and go on multiplying it by 6 and getting the answer. So for how to do that, I have drawn a flow chart. Already I have an example of flow chart here. Let us look at the flow chart. Start, enter a number. We should know a number, right? We should know a number. Then we should have I. Initially it should be 1. I should be made as 1. So number is given and I is also 1. Then how many times we have to display? 10. 1 to 10 only. That's sufficient. So I should reach 10, then we should stop. When it becomes 11, then we should stop. So I is less than or equal to 10. Yes. Then what I have to do? I am just printing I into n, right? This portion I am printing. This portion. Print this one. Then increase the value of I plus plus. So I assign I plus 1. Increase the value. Then again continue. Again check the condition. It's less than 10, right? Then again multiply. Get the result. Then I assign I plus 1. So I becomes 3. Then check it's less than 10. Yes. Then multiply it. Then I becomes 4. It's less than 10. Multiply. I becomes 5. So this is how it will be repeating. And when I is not less than or equal to 10, that is false, it will stop. So I have already drawn a flow chart based on this working. Now let us convert this into a program. So we will see the flow chart and convert it. In our program, we need to take input, that is n, right? So here I'll start from int main. I will not write hash include everything. Those libraries you know already we have discussed that. Then here I need variables n and I. If you observe this, n and I, only two things are used. So yes, I have taken them. Then I should read n. So for reading n, we give a message, cout, enter n, or enter a number. Whatever message you want, you can give a suitable message and you can read a number. Then I should start from 1 every time condition is checked. It should be less than or equal to 10. And also we have to increase I. So if you remember, in the previous video, I have shown you for loop, which is used for counter control. Yes, here we are using a counter. So for counter control, for loop is better. Yes, we can use for loop. So let us write a for loop. For I starts from 1 onwards, I is less than or equal to 10 and I plus plus. Right? See, first one, second one, third one. First one, second one, and third one. We have grouped all those three statements that are related to I in a one place. That is the benefit of for loop. Now inside this, what is happening? 1, 2 and 3 are over. What is happening? Just we have to print. So I have to print it here. That's all. So say cout. Let us print it as it is, how it is appeared here, as it is. How to display that? So for that, first of all, I should display number. Number is in variable n, okay, n. Then this cross marks, this is x, capital X I can take, it looks like cross marks. Okay, I should print x, but x is a letter I have to print, so give again insertion operation and give some space and write x and again give some space, so that after n we get some space, then again after this also we get some space. Then this one is 1, 2, 3. Oh, this is I. Yes, I can use counter I. Then after this we need equal to symbol. So again that is a string or a character. So give space and equal to sign and again quote. Then after that this I into n is displayed. So there is no space. I'll just remove this. Okay, we know it well. Just I'll remove it. So here again insertion operation I into n. It will be displaying this. Then after finishing first line, it should go to next line for the next value, next row. So I should give NL also. So here I will continue, or else I can write here also cout NL. So even all these I can write them in different couts, one below another also, I get the same result. So once, unless and until I say NL, it will not print in next line. So that's it. That's the end of for loop. Close this for loop. Then as we have said int, so we have to say return 0, end of main function. So this is the program for displaying multiplication table for given number. So there is a demo available. You can watch that demo and you have to practice this program on your own machine. Now one more important thing. In the coming topics, I'll be showing few more programs, and most of the programs are dependent on the counter like this. So I may be using the counter and showing you the other programs also. Okay, so that's all in this video.